The Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra vacuum offers an impressive hands-free cleaning experience with its advanced docking station that handles dust emptying, mop washing, and water tank refilling automatically. Equipped with ReactiveAI 2.0 technology, this vacuum expertly navigates around obstacles using its RGB camera and a neural processing unit, ensuring efficient cleaning even in dark rooms. With a remarkable suction power of 5,100 Pascal, the S7 MaxV Ultra is designed to tackle debris, hair, and dust effortlessly on both hard floors and carpets. The vacuum's intelligent mapping system recognizes furniture and floor types, recommending personalized cleaning patterns and scrub intensity for optimal results. The product's self-refilling and self-emptying features extend its mopping range to up to 3,230 square feet, making it ideal for larger homes. As a renewed product, this vacuum has been professionally refurbished to meet high standards, ensuring it looks and performs like new without visible imperfections.